Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Teknokat friends, I'm Vinanda Devita Amelia with student ID 2441158. Okay, here I will explain the material about financial institution. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Teknokat friends, I'm Vinanda Devita Amelia with student ID 2441158. Okay, here I will explain. Please. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Teknokat friends, I'm Vinanda Devita Amelia with student ID 2441158. Okay, here I will explain the material about financial institution and business activity. An overview of funding, growth, and opportunity. Okay, next. What are financial institutions? Financial institutions are organizations that facilitate economic activity by channeling funds from savers to borrowers and investors. They serve as essential intermediaries within the financial system, enabling business to access capital, manage risks, and achieve growth objectives. These entities accept deposits, provide credit facilities, manage investment, and offer specialist financial service from high street banks to specialist finance companies. Invest companies, they form the backbone of modern commerce, allowing business of all sizes to invest in operation, equipment, and expansion. First, capital mobilization, channeling saving into productive investment. And second, risk distribution, spending financial exposure across portfolio. And third, payment system, facilitating secure transaction and sentiments. Okay, next, the role of banks, funding, loans, and credit facilities. Bank represent to the cornerstone of business financing, providing multiple pathways for companies to access capital and manage cash flow. Lending product, working capital loans for operational liquidity, team loans for equipment and infrastructure, overdraft facilities for short-term cash needs, trade financing for import-export activity, merchant cash advantage for cash flow support, and value-added service, cash management, and liquidity solution, generate current schemes to reduce lending risks, business advisory and financial planning, forex exchange and hedging service, supply chain financing arrangements. Okay. Next, types of financial institution. The financial landscape encompasses a diverse ecosystem of institutions, each serving distinct roles within business financing. Commercial banks, traditional deposit-taking institutions, offering loans, credit facilities, and payment service. They provide working capital financing, trade credit, and long-term business loans. Non-bank financial companies, specialist providers offering equipment leasing, invoice factoring, venture capital, and alternative financing solutions tailored to specific business needs. Development Bank, specialist institutions supporting economic growth through concessional financing, infrastructure funding and development, oriented lending, and emerging enterprise investment firms, capital market intermediaries, facilitating equality offerings, bond issues, and portfolio management for corporate clients seeking core capital. Non-bank financial institutions, leasing, factoring, and venture capital. Okay. Beyond traditional banking, non-bank financial institutions provide specialized financing solutions addressing specific business needs that conventional bank might not fully accommodate. Equipment leasing. Companies lease rather than purchase machinery, skills, and technology. This preserves capital. Take advantage and provide flexibility in upgrading equipment as technology evolves. Invoice factoring. Business convert outstanding invoices into immediate cash by selling them to factoring companies at a discount. This accelerates cash flow and eliminates collection risks for growing enterprise. Okay. Securing business growth debt vs. equity financing explained. Business face a fundamental strategic choice when raising capital, understanding the trade-off between debt and equity financing is essential for sustainable growth. Debt financing borrowed funds, recurring repayment with interest, maintains ownership control, but creates phased obligation, ideal for established business with reliable cash flow. Equity financing, ownership stake, exchange for capital, no repayment obligation, but dilute control, sets high growth ventures seeking short risks and strategic partnership. Deep advantage, predictable repayment schedule, interest tax, deductibility, retains ownership control, and sustainable for established firms. Equity advantage, no mandatory repayment, access to strategy, expertise, reduce financial pressure, enable rapid scaling. Accessing capital, application process, and key consideration. Number 1. Prepare documentation. Complete comprehensive financial statement, balance sheet, income statements, cash flow projection, business plan, tax return, and personal credit histories. Institutional credibility begins with thorough documentation. Number 2, access requirement, understanding specific situation criteria, minimum turnover, collateral requirement, the street focus, and loan size, matching your needs to appropriate lenders, increase approval likelihood. Number 3, submit application, complete a detailed application demonstrating business feasibility, growth potential, and repayment capacity. Clear articulation of capital use increase in situational confidence. Number 4, undergo assessment in situation, conduct thorough due diligence, analyzing financial metrics, market position, management capability, and risk factor. This rigorous process protects institutional investment interests. And last, finalist terms, negotiate pricing, government's requirement schedule, and security arrangements. Understanding terms ensure alignment with business objective and operational realities. Risk management and due diligence protecting your business. Credit risks. Situation access borrower ability to meet obligation, business evaluate, counterparty reliability, and payment history. Compliance risks, ensuring regulatory adherence, anti-money laundering protocol, and government's framework protection institutional integrity. Operational risks, evaluating management quality, internal controls, and business process. Weak operation indicate default probability. Market risks, analyzing industry trend, competitive positioning, and macroeconomic conditions affecting business sustainability. Regulatory framework, ensuring stability and ethical practice. Financial institution operate with comprehensive regulatory architecture designed to maintain system stability, protect consumer, and ensure ethical conduct. Understanding this framework is essential for business institution relationship. Prudential regulation, capital adequacy requirement ensure institution maintains sufficient resources to absorb loss based court established international standard protecting financial system stability. Consumer protection regulation maintain transparent fee disclosure, fair lending practice, and dispute resolution mechanism. Borrowers enjoy legal protection against exploited terms. Anti-money laundering, know you customer protocol, and transaction monitoring prevent financial system misuse. Compliance ensures institutional legitimacy. Interest rate control. Some jurisdictions cap lending rates protection full vulnerable borrowers, recalling balance, lender profitability with consumer fairness. And last, credit information system. Credit Bureau maintain borrowers' histories, enabling in situation to access credit worthiness objectively transparent credit information, promote responsible lending. Okay. And last, key takeaways and featured tales in business finance. Financial institution remain indispensable catalyst for business growth, innovation, and economic development. Success requires strategy, engagement with this vital partners, strategy, diversification. Okay, look this. Sustainable finance. Okay, look this. Digital transformation. And last, data-driven decision. Okay. The relationship between business and financial institution continues evolving, thus embracing transparency, demonstrating strong governance, and strategically leveraging diverse capital sources will thrive in an increasingly dynamic financial landscape. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.